Hey, boys and girls. So today for math, you're going to do a little practicing of adding and subtracting. Now, on your activity, you're going to have a number track. So you can use that number track, but did you hear me say we're going to practice adding and subtracting? So I want you to think, watch the symbol. So for example, if I solve this, what does this equation want me to do? One thing that you might want to do is circle the symbol and think, what is this symbol telling me? We know this plus symbol means I'm putting together. So if you're using your number track, you could start at the number 2. Or the number 8. Which one do you think you would want to start at? I wrote some numbers for me to have a number track really fast. Do I want to start at 2 and hop 8 times or start at 8? I think it'd be easier to start at 8 and hop 1, 2. If I don't know, work, count forward. 8, 9, 10. So now I know my answer is 10. Now here's where it might get tricky. What if I see this? So if I want to look at the symbol, you're going to have 2 equations at a time. This time I see 8. What's this symbol telling me? Take away. I gotta jump backwards. So this one I have to start at 8 and count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I land on 3. So 8, take away 5. Or could I use my fingers and start with 8? Ooh, I see 5. Take 5 away. There are 3 left. So let's practice a couple more together. Then you're going to do some practicing all on your own. Like I said, you have a number track at the bottom of yours. I'm going to draw some numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9. I skipped to 9. I went straight to 10. I only got to 13. I think it'll work. We can do some problems within 13. Okay, you ready? So if I have this, what does the first equation tell me? Do you see the symbol? I see a takeaway. So I'm going to start at 13 and I have to hop back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This landed on the number track at 6. Now, I don't have 13 fingers, but I have 7 fingers, and I could count backwards if I don't have a number track, right? I could say, okay, 13, 1 less is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. When I counted back all those 7, did it get me to 6 just like on the number track? Sure did. So whichever way you like to do, you don't have to use the number track, but I do give you a number track to use if that's easier for you. Okay, what if I have this equation? This one says plus. So this time I have to make forward jump. So I might make it on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got me to 13. Or I do have 5 fingers I could count on and say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I can do that count backwards and help with my fingers when I have one number that I can think of. Either way works. So watch those symbols. Make sure you know, are you taking away or adding?